Welcome to AutoCAD Apprentice. In this series, I'll be showing you on how to do AutoCAD. I'll be running you through tutorials, videos on how to go about AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, and also AutoCAD itself. So in this video, I'll particularly focus on showing you on how you can handle the basic tools in AutoCAD in order to draw a hook. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel and hit up that notification button. So to draw the hook, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line by putting in the line command. You can type in line, or you can go to the home menu there and click on the line. So the line should be 16 centimeters as it is seen in the diagram there on the top left corner, right corner, sorry. So you're going to select the line, copy the line, drag the mouse to the bottom, enter a distance of 2. You just click 2 on your keyboard, then you click enter, and the line should appear. From thereafter, you're going to enter the line command by typing in line or clicking on the line option in the menu. Then you're going to draw a line adjacent to the 90 degree and clicking on tab button, then entering the degrees 45 degrees. Then a line should appear like the one you're seeing on the screen. Then you click on mirror once selected the line and click on the midpoint of that line. Another line will appear on the opposite side. From thereafter, you're going to click on the trim button, or you can actually type in trim, then you click enter. Then you're going to trim out all the unnecessary parts. So what we're trying to do right now is we're just trying to draw the top part of the diagram. Okay, so we trim out even that side. All right. So once we have something that looks like this, as you can see on the diagram there, we've got two lines that are extending downwards at a distance of 15. So you're going to draw a line that comes down and enter a distance of 15 using the keyboard. Again, enter again another line on the opposite side. If you want, you can use the mirror option. For me, I chose to use the line command, and you click enter. Once that's done, what we're going to need to do is we're now going to enter the rectangle command. You click on the rectangle, start to draw the rectangle, enter a distance of 24, press comma and click on 4, then press enter. Then something like what you're about to see on the screen will happen. Like you have this triangle that is a distance of, in length 4, then in the width it has a distance of 4. Length 24, width 4. Then go to your options menu. On the circle there, click on the circle that says turn, turn, turn. Then click on all the sides of the rectangle on each corner, and you have something like the one you're seeing on this screen. Then trim out all the unnecessary parts. So you trim out that part, and that part. Yeah, even that one. Yeah, okay. Even there and there. Alright. Once you're done, you can select the entire object. Select move, or you can type in move. Drag it from the center. Try to put it on the center with the diagram that we previously drew. Then you press it at the bottom of those two lines. In so doing, you would have drawn the first part of the diagram. As you can see, it actually looks the same with the diagram there. So the next part that we're going to deal with will be the part where we're now going to add the bottom part of the hook. For that, as you can see on the diagram, there's a line that drops down straight at the midpoint of the topmost part. So this line can be as long as you want it to be. Alright. From there, we're going to select the bottom line of the rectangle that we had done earlier on. Then copy it, bring it down at a distance that we've been shown of 36 centimeters. Then click enter. Right. From there, from the center of the two lines that connected, we're going to click on the center of that point using the center circle center radius circle, and enter a radius of 15 centimeters. Alright, once that's done, we'll now go to the line command. Using the line command, on the line of that alias rectangle that we are done, we're going to do a line that is 4 centimeters long. From there, we're going to select the center radius circle, go to the center of the line, drag the circle until it meets the top part line, just like you can see in the diagram. Alright, so once that's done, what will be needed is we're going to need to draw the arc that we are seeing there that has a radius of 22 degrees. So for that, you're going to go to your circle menu in the draw tools. Then under the drop down of the circle, select the circle that's written tan radius. So you select now the 2 points of the 2 circles on the left side of the midpoint line. Then you enter a radius of 22. Then you click enter. A circle like this will appear. Next up, you just trim all the unnecessary parts. Alright, so as we can see, the diagram is starting to take shape. Next up, we're going now to select the midpoint line so that we can draw the other point line, which is at the tip of the hook, which has a radius of 3 at the center of it. So that line, you're just going to copy the midpoint line that we had done earlier on. Then you move your mouse to the left. Then you enter a distance that we've been given of 32. Then you click enter. From there, we have the distance above the bottom line of the center of the circle that was 15 degrees in radius. You're going to copy that line, then drag it up at a distance of 10 centimeters. Then, after dragging it up at a distance of 10 centimeters, you're going to move the line to the new line that we had earlier done, the center line, just like this. From there, you're going to select the new circle, which is just going to be a center radius circle. You click at the midpoint, then you enter 3 as a radius because that's the radius for the tip of the hook. Just like this. The video so far is educational and supporting in your studies. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend the video to others as well. Thanks for the support so far. You can hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Next up, we're going to connect the 2 circles, the center circle for the first line and the center circle for the second line that we are from doing. So for that, you're going to go to the tan radius circle in the circle menu. Then select the tangent points of the 2 circles, enter a radius of 38 and click enter. A circle like this will appear. From there, just trim out all the unnecessary parts so that you remain with the parts that are only needed. Trim out that side. Even there, trim there as well, even that side. Alright, so next up, what we're going to notice is that on the right side, we have got another center that is at a distance of 5, and again another center that's at a distance of 5. So the first one we're going to deal with will be the first distance at 5. So we're going to copy the center line that we had done at first. Then move your mouse to the right, then click 5 on your numbers, then click enter. From there, you go to the midpoint, you go to this circle command, you click on the circle command, go to the midpoint of the 2 lines, like you can see on the screen, then type in 35, then a circle like this will appear. All right, just like this. All right, so once that's done, we're now going to do the radius that is connected to the tip of the circle with the radius of 3. So now we're going to touch the tangents of the 35 radius circle we've done to the 3. So we're going to click on the tan radius circle. We're going to click the 2 points for the bigger circle, which has a 35, and the small circle, which has a 3. Then enter a radius of 20. Yes, just like as you can see in the screen. Then now we're going to trim out the parts that are not needed. Just like that there. Make sure you trim out all the loose ends. So as we can see, the diagram is starting to take shape. So the bottom of the hook looks good so far. Alright, so now we're going to select the line, the second center line that we did, and copy it. Once you place copy, click on the line again, then drag it to the right, because the third center line on this same part is at a distance again of what? 5. So you drag it to the right, then you enter 5 using your keyboard. Right, so from the center, we're now going to put a circle that has a radius of 30. Just like this. Alright, so at this point, the only parts you need to trim out are the parts that I'm going to trim out, so you can pay close attention to the parts that I'll be trimming out. So for this, you just click in the trim command, or you can go to the modify tab and click on trim. Like that. Alright, just like that. Then next up, you're going to go to the circle command and choose the tan radius circle command for the circle, which is tan radius. Then you're going to select the circle and the line that is closest to the outside of the circle, just like you can see in the diagram. I selected the line and the circle, then enter a radius of 7, then a circle like that will appear. Then once that appears, the diagram at this point is particularly, in simplest terms, done. But what you can do is you now start to trim out so that it can look exact as it is in the picture. So you trim out all the unnecessary parts, just like I'm going to trim them out. Alright, and just like that, the diagram is done. So when you look at the diagram we've done and the drawing, it's exactly the same. For measurements and how to put all these measurements that you're seeing on the picture, I'll do them in the next video. Thank you for watching so far. You can hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.